Open it. Open it, Ara. Open it.
Mommy.
Mommy, open it?
Yeah.
Rob, here, record this one. Record me opening this. Not me, though. PJs!
Oh,
PJs.
car PJs.
No, that's not yours. That one is not yours. That one is for Sevak, Uncle Sevak. Hopar Sevak. You know which one is yours? That big one over there. The big one. That's yours. Are you going to open it?
I don't think. I think it's still early for him.
You want me to help you open it?
Or you want to open it later?
Yeah, we'll open it later. Come play with your come play with your toys. We'll open it later. You want to open it now
Yeah.
or later?
Now, Mommy, now.
You want me to help you to open it?
Yeah.
Or you want to open it later?
No.
Now, no, let's put it, go put it back.
No.
All right, ready? Go ahead.
Mommy. Whoa. Mommy.
Who is this? Ready?
Pig.
Pig. My name is Evil Dr. Porkchop. Lotso. Jesse. Woody. Buzz. Piggy. Alien. Piggy. That's it. Yay! Say thank you, Santa Claus. Did you say thank you to Santa Claus? Say it loud so he can hear you. Say thank you. Say it. Say thank you to Santa Claus. Are you going to say thank you to Santa Claus? Say T2. Say T2. Can you say T2? Hello? Say T2. Say T2.
He's shy.
Do you want me to open it? Or we'll open it later. Let Daddy open his presents. And we'll open these later, okay?
Mommy.
You want me to open it now?
Yeah.
We need scissors.
Mommy.
What? Go get me scissors.